What's up guys? I'm Darren from AutoDetailer Studio and welcome to our All Access vlog. Today we have 911 GTS in for our popular vehicle reconditioning program. Let's jump right in. This Porsche 991.2 GTS is powered by a flat-six 3-liter twin-turbocharged engine which pushes out 444 horses and 550 Nm of torque. The GTS in its name stands for Gran Turismo Sport, which gives it a 20mm lowered suspension, the sports chrono package, and a sports exhaust system that comes as standard. The car had suffered paintwork damage due to stone chips and had some mismatched panels due to some previous repainting works. This 911 GTS had been wrapped previously in a low-quality pre-cut paint protection film and had contaminants trapped in its exposed seams and edges, giving the car a rather unsightly finish. After all bodywork repairs were completed, approximately half of the vehicle was refinished in its original racing yellow paintwork, and we ensured that each panel had an exact match. The GTS was then put through our signature detailing program for the exterior and the interior to further refine the paintwork and to give the interior a perfect finish. The 20-inch single-lock wheels were also restored and were repainted in its original matte black finish. The exterior coachwork and wheels were also treated with our hybrid ceramic coating system to help with ease of maintenance. The sports leather seats combined with black Alcantara interior was meticulously detailed via our low-moisture steam cleaning equipment and protected with our 5-stage leather feed system that is designed to condition and enhance the leather and upholstery. To protect the newly painted and detailed paintwork, we custom wrapped the GTS in ClearGuard Alpha paint protection film. ClearGuard Alpha is a carbon-based PPF that doubles the gloss of your paintwork and heals instantly when lightly scratched. Paired with our custom installation, your paintwork will be protected seamlessly and complete. As a final touch to elevate the cabin comfort, we installed Ceralux IRD high-performance window tint, which projects up to 90% UVA and UVB rays, up to 90% infrared radiation, and up to 70% of total solar energy rejection. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching.